Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and set the wipers flat against the windshield to prevent accidental movement while you work. Inspect the wiper arms, blades, and the hook-style connector. Most Kia Soul models use a driver 26 inches blade and a passenger 16 inches blade, so purchase matching replacements. Gather tools: a clean rag, gloves, and a small flathead if clips feel stiff. Work with clean hands and a rag to avoid scratching glass, and to handle small plastic clips safely. Lift the wiper arm up until it locks in the raised service position so the blade is accessible and the arm cannot snap back on glass. Locate the locking tab on the underside of the hook connector, compress the tab with your thumb or a small flathead, then slide the blade down the arm hook and drop the old blade free. Place the old blade on a rag to protect the windshield and avoid sudden arm release. Check the arm for rust or bending before fitting the new blade to ensure proper contact. Align the replacement blade with the hook, slide it up until you hear a click securing it into the arm. Visually confirm the locking tab engaged on both sides. Lower the arm gently to the windshield to avoid snapping, and then start the car to run the wipers while adding washer fluid if streaking persists. Check for even pressure across the glass. Replace blades every 6 months or when streaking starts to ensure clear visibility. And recheck blade tightness after the first week of use to confirm secure installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.